Howdy folks, we are heading to Bowling Green, Kentucky. Skeleton's Lair, about 8 hours, no big deal. Got the AC going, the tunes are rocking. Let's get this bad boy going. So we already did the canvases. We're gonna go do an install, paint up some props, black hole skin. Oh yeah. Enjoy the videos, people. Please subscribe. It's gonna be awesome. We are here at China Inn. It's our favorite restaurant. It's on the way to the job site, so we were gonna load the hump and go conquer. You know what I'm saying? That's what we're gonna do. Pictures are coming. Food. People, we are 95 miles from Indianapolis, going through the Windmill Forest on I-65 South. Oh yeah, we're eating some road and not stopping at too many restaurants, even though the girls say that I do, and it's all a lie. Okay, just don't let them tell you that. Okay, suckers are huge. Looks really cool at night too with all the red lights. Onwards and upwards, people. All right, people. We're about to go over the new toll bridge. They send you a happy little bill at home. But it actually is a pretty cool looking bridge going from Indiana over into Louisville, Kentucky. Let's get around this truck here so we'll see something a little bit better. Much better. There you go. This is the old bridge. The new one is the one going out, but they tow you both ways. But we got sidetracked. They closed 65 down in Indianapolis, and so when we got off to the big track, almost got eaten by several semis, and went through some really nice areas where it looks like it's the law. You gotta mow your lawn, because everybody, even if the house was junky, had the most prettiest lawn, and we probably wouldn't be allowed to live there, so. All right, more coming. On to Skeleton's Lair. Ooh,
well, people, we made it. We're at the Red Roof Inn at exit 22. How do you guys feel? Blah.
Tired.
Tired. Yeah, vegetables. And on top of it, we did our civic duty today by voting in the primaries before we left. Didn't want to miss that. Didn't want to miss that at all. Elections. Good. True to vote, man. Oh, yeah. More from the job site tomorrow. Oh, yeah. Right now, hot sleep action. Boo-wah.
All right, people. Hey, first day at Skeleton's Lair, Bowling Green, Kentucky. We're going to be working on the facade for the spinning tunnel, the spider room, and the spinning tunnel skin itself. While I'm waiting for the girls to set it up, I'm going to come along and do my primers and my colors and stuff. And most likely we'll not get to those as far as detail for the first day. The spinning tunnel is the priority because it is out in the weather, and I need to have it done before dark so everything dries. So in the meantime, just getting my primer on, colors, and you guys get to see that I'm working on 3 or 4 different things at one time, running around. The compressor is set at a central location to be able to just go crazy as far as jumping from site to site. So enjoy the pics. Watch how things get created. Tomorrow there will be more detail, start to finishes, and time lapse. In the meantime, again, main thing, spinning tunnel skin, getting her done. And on a side note, it is hot here. Oh my goodness. So the spinning tunnel skin, it is out in the sun. And yeah, getting down on my hands and knees on that bad boy to detail it is gonna be brutal. But you know what? The end result, that's what we're here for. So let's get her done. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Enjoy the video. Watch it to the end so you get to see all the cool transitions on the skin. And hope for you to stop in for the day 2 tomorrow. Take care.